Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT not logging in. Alright, let's begin. First, offload the ChatGPT app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Look for the ChatGPT app, tap it, and choose Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload App again. Once it finishes, tap Reinstall App and wait for it to complete. After that, open the app and try signing in again. If the problem isn't fixed, move on to the next step. Check your VPN settings. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap General, then select VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are disconnected from any VPNs and delete VPN profiles if necessary. Finally, use Apple or Google Sign-In. Open the app and choose Continue with Apple or Continue with Google for a faster and more reliable login. This method often works when traditional login methods fail. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT not logging in. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.